Well, the way I'm going to have to run this one this time is I have to get the Tide Pod, and a gain flame. I didn't have the fabric softener I wanted, so we're just going to do this and see what happens. I should get $4 back on this one. Okay, so for my laundry detergent deal, I screwed up. I had it right in my cart. This was actually supposed to be a gain, so I didn't save as much money, but sometimes, you know, we mess up. Rolls were bad, and I was thinking about the rolls, and I don't know. Anyways, I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. I was in a hurry because that was the only thing I was going to do was go to CVS. I didn't realize the rolls were as bad as they were. Anyways, so I got the Tide Pod and the Gain Fling and a small Tide Pod. I originally was going to get a Gain, and a Tide. So my $3 didn't come off, plus the other deals. I ended up paying $18.41. It should have been like, I think, $11. Like I said, well, I didn't have that other extra $1.50 off coupon either, because some people are getting $1.50 off the Gain and $1.50 off Tide. I didn't have $1.50 off this one. And of course the $3 didn't come off. So anyways, I ended up paying $18.41, which was still 47% savings. I did get my $4 back. So I want to show you, because there was somebody who was looking for a specific Gain deal. Like I said, I had this in my cart. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know why it's doing that. Let me go up to my cart here and show you. I think I still have it in there. I do. So if you get one Gain Fling, okay. I put in a liquid fabric softener in this one. You can get liquid fabric softener or the sheets. It'll be $6.99. And then this Gain, the big one, which is, no, this one's a 42 count. Like I said, I like to do this stuff in my cart. Alright, so right there is $13.30 in savings. So if you don't have any money going into it, it's going to be $19. $2 came off pod flings. For some reason, came off Downy Infusion. I don't know. And then $7 off of the Gain, because these are normally $17. And then the $3 came off. Now it would be $19.47. Now if you have like your extra care pass, or you have extra bucks, you use $10 off of this baby, that's going to drop that down to $9. Now let me show you what I'm looking at when let's see if it'll pop up. When you're looking for different Gain things or whatever that's on sale, you want it to say sale. Because say, let's see, if I put Gain in here, I got it in there, but I'm searching Gain. And this is, like I said, this is why I like to put stuff in my cart first. And I did have it in my cart, I just didn't. Whatever. So you see, that says sale. That one does not. So that one is not part of the sale. That one is not part of the sale. The fabric softener is. Fabric softener. And they got two different sizes. That fling is. That is not. Is not. This one is not. See, sale, sale, sale. Anything that says sale, that's where you're going to get $4 back from spending $20. Okay, this 42 count one, this one is. They did have some fabric sheets, so as long as it says sale as part of the spend $20, get $4 back. So I mean, like I said, according to my cart, the items that I did put in there, if you didn't have any money going in, you didn't have no extra bucks, no nothing, it's going to be $19.47. You will get $4 back, and you can use that $4 later on for another deal. which regardless, 1947 is a good deal because, where's the big one? That one is normally $17 by itself. So $19.40 for all that is a really good deal. But like I said, if you paid for the Care Pass or you have extra bucks, you can get your total down even more. So, friend, I hope that helps. Run to CVS. Epic deals on gain. Epic, 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 I think.